Morning, sir.
Morning. Yeah, once you showed me one PDF book with you, digital book. Is it Yesing?
Yes, sir. That one.
Yesing of
Yeah, that one. Acing SAT
we
math.
did some few questions from it, I think.
Yes, sir. We did in the starting. Yeah.
Yeah. Again, I find that book. Some questions are from that book. Did you study the book completely or partially?
No, sir. No, sir. I read it partially. That's it. I didn't complete it, sir.
Yes, sir. A company has been asked to design a building for an athletic event.
Yes.
The building is in the shape of a square pyramid.
Yes. The pyramid has a height of
The
481.
pyramid has a height of 481 feet. The length of each side of the base is 756 feet. What is the approximate volume of the pyramid? You know what is the square pyramid? Square pyramid is a shape whose base is square. Whose
Yes, sir.
base is square.
Yes.
It is base. And it's from its four vertices. It's not 2D, it is 3D.
Yes, sir.
For example, its base is rectangle. Its base is rectangle, right?
Yes, sir.
Imagine its base is a square, right?
Yes, sir.
From base, that means from square, yeah, it is connected to this point, right?
Yes, sir.
Unlike this, four, see, this is one line from its base. This is one line, this is one line, right?
Yes, sir.
Those four lines meet at a particular point. For example,
Yes.
imagine this.
Yes.
Base, these are the four bits of a base, right?
Yes, sir.
These four bits, from the four bits, lines are drawn.
Yes, sir.
Lines are constructed, not run, constructed.
Yes, sir.
These four lines have met. These four lines meet at a single point at the top.
Yes.
The top.
Yes. Yes.
Have you got an idea about square pyramid?
Yes, sir. I did.
Base is a square. From
Yes,
the
sir.
bits of a base, the lines are
Yes.
connected. Four lines are meet. Four lines are met at a point, single point. There is a top. It is a top.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is a top point.
Yes.
Area of volume is asked, right? Volume
Yes.
of square pyramid is. Do you know what is volume of cone?
3/4 pi r squared. No.
First, for any 3D diagram, volume formula is area of base into height. Area of base into height for any 3D diagram. But whenever base and top are equal, base top are equal. For example, it is top, it is base.
Cylinder, sir.
It is called a cylinder.
Yes.
This is called circular cylinder. Top and base are equal. Its
Yes.
volume formula is half into base area into height. For example, volume of this shape is equal to volume is equal to area of base. Base is circle.
Yes,
Area
sir.
of circle formula pi r square.
Sorry, pi r square.
Pi r square into height. Pi r square height. That's why volume of cylinder, right circular cylinder, it is called right circular cylinder. Volume of right circular cylinder is pi r square h. That's the reason. Area of base into height, right? And
Yes.
if you take, it is top. Top is a rectangle, and base is also a rectangle.
Yes.
When we connect these two like this, it's called cuboid.
Yes.
Cuboid. Its volume formula base area into height, right?
Yes, sir.
Base is a rectangle. Base is rectangle. Rectangle area formula length into breadth into height. Base area into height. So length into breadth into height. That's why volume of cuboid is LBH.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Now, if you take a cube whose top is square and the base is square, top is square, base is also square. It is cube. Its area formula
Base square times height.
Base is square. Yes, base is square.
Yes, sir.
Let the side be S. Then its area S square.
S square.
In cube, height is also same. S square into S is equal to S cube.
Yes.
That's why volume of cube is S cube, right?
Yes.
But in the other hand, when base and top are not equal, whenever top is a point.
Yes.
Top is a point. For example, if you take base is circle and top is a point, this is called cone.
Yes.
For this type of shapes, volume is equal 1/3. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square. 1/3 into base area into height. 1/3 into base area into height.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So, volume of cone is 1/3. Base is pi r square.
Times height.
That's why volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h.
Yes.
In college book, the official book of SAT, before the mathematics chapter begins, all the geometrical figures are drawn. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
All the mathematical symbols. For every chapter, not yeah. For every unit, just before the beginning of mathematics, with calculator,
Yes.
without calculator, you can see all these shapes.
Yes.
Get it? All the shapes,
Yes.
all the geometrical shapes. Yeah, that means SAT is giving importance for geometry.
Yes.
Yeah, there is another shape. There is another shape whose base is square.
Yes.
Is square, but in writing 3D, it seems to be rhombus, but it is square.
Yes.
Yeah, it is square pyramid. It is square pyramid. Tell its volume formula. Volume V is equal
1/3
base is,
square
let the base be
L
side of base
square.
be L, and its area is L square height. 1/3 L square H. 1/3 L square H, where L is side of the square, side of the base, and H is its height. But so in this particular sum, we use this formula: 1/3 L square H. The pyramid has a height 281 feet. That means H is equal to 281 feet.
Yes.
And the base, side of base is 756. So L is 756.
Yes.
Now calculate its volume. Yeah, this question is under the category calculator is allowed. Calculator is allowed category.
1 second, I'll get my calculator.
Yeah, 1/3 L square into 1/3 L is 756.
Yes, sir.
756 times 756
So
into height
1/3
481.
1/3 times 756 times 481.
Yeah, you can use calculator.
Oh, so it's option 1, 121.
No, did you do correctly?
Sir, yes, sir.
First multiply these three values. I got a calculator for this purpose.
1/3 times 756 times 481
Yeah,
will give me 121212, sir. So if it moves,
756 times 756
oh, twice.
481. Yeah, L square.
916, option 3, sir.
Did you get this answer?
Yes, sir. 916366272. Yeah, yes, sir.
Got it? Same answer?
Yes, sir. 1 second, I'll show you.
I think it seems to be in mirror image.
No, sir.
Yeah, but in my view, through the I could see is not actually image, right? So is it the answer?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, tell your answer. 9
916366272.
916. After that,
36272.
36270.
2702, sir. 272.
270, right? This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
6 into 36. 36 into 136 by 312. Yeah, right. Correct only. But here, see, this notation, this is called scientific notation.
Yes,
Scientific
sir.
notation means there is only one number left side to the decimal point.
Yes, sir.
So actually, if there is no decimal point for any number, we can imagine that there is a decimal point after it and a 0. This value actually yeah, this is 91,636,272 in American method. Yeah,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
Its actual value is point O is there.
Yes.
Point O is there. Yeah. Now this point is moved left side. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To convert it into scientific method, this point has to be moved 7 steps to left side.
Yes.
In scientific notation, there is exactly one number left side to the point. So
Yes.
it can be written as 9.16. Of course, we can write as many digits as possible to get accuracy. It is
Yes.
actually 9.1636272 into 10 power 7 because the decimal point is moved 7 steps to left side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So accurate value is 9.1636272 into 10 power 7. But approximate value is as given by two numbers are given 9.16 into 10 power 7 feet cube, right? Units are very important. Feet cube because volume has cubic units. Area
Yes.
has square units. Area has
Yes.
square units, volume has cubic units.
Yes.
So finally, its answer is option 3.
3, sir.
I think in online exam you have to put point there. You click it there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very direct question and simple question. 2x square plus 3x plus 2 minus of x square plus 2x minus 3. Direct question, no twist in it.
Plus 2 minus
In every SAT exam, I could
2x.
see many direct questions, simple questions without any twist. And
Yes.
easiest questions are there.
Yes, sir.
SAT exam, however difficult, whatever maybe it's difficult level.
So is it option 1? X
Yeah,
square plus
that's good. Yeah,
P is greater than 0 and P of m.
p power m whole power 2n times p power 2m whole power n is equal to 16 to the power of mn. What is the value of p?
So is it 16? No, wait. Is it 4?
Value 2.
Is it 4 square, sir? Is it
Yeah,
4?
by mistake I cut it, so options.
Is P 4, sir?
The first point is p to the power of 2mn.
2m times P to the power 2mn
Yeah.
equals 16 to the power mn. So it's
16 to the power of mn.
yeah. So we
Now,
take
p
P
to the power of 2mn into p to the power of 2mn, p to the power of 2mn plus 2mn of 4mn.
yes, sir.
16 means 2 power of 4 is 16. Agree?
Yes.
P to the power of 4mn is equal to 2 to the power of 4mn.
Also P equals 2, sir.
Yeah. 4mn get cancels.
Yes, sir.
Do you think is it universal to cancel powers whenever base are equal?
Until it's for 0 and 1.
Yeah, it's very important. This cannot be done whenever base is 0 and 1 because we know 1 square and 1 cube both are equal. 1 square and 1 cube both are equal. 1 square value 1, 1 cube value 1. That's why we can't cancel base. If we do so, we get an absurd result. 2 is equal to 3. Same cannot be done whenever the base is 0. As we know, 0 power 1 and 0 square both are equal. 0 1, 0 power 1 and 0 square both are equal. We can't cancel base on both sides. So this practice cannot be done when the base is either 0 or 1.
Yes.
There is a valid reason to do so. There is a valid alternative also for that case.
Yes.
Now,
Expression is equivalent to, okay. Yes, I'll do it. 1 second. X squared plus 9x plus x squared plus 5x plus 4x plus 20 by x squared plus 5x minus 2x plus 10. X times x plus 5 by x plus 5 minus 2. So x plus 4 by x minus 2. Option B.
correct only. Because when we factorize the numerator, very simple. Product is 20 and sum is 9.
Yes, sir.
So the numerator is x plus 4 times x plus 5.
Yes, sir.
5 4s are 20, 4 plus 5 9. And the denominator is 10 now, 3. 5 2s are 10.
Yes, sir.
X plus 5 times x minus 2. 5 2s are 10, that is negative 10. 5 minus 2 positive 3. X plus 5 and x plus 5 get cancels. We left
Yes.
with x plus 4 by x minus 2. So second option is correct.
Okay. F of x. F of x minus 3 of x.
F of x equal 3x square plus 4x minus 2.
What
G
is the value?
7x square minus bx plus 3. F of x minus g of x is equal to minus 4x square plus 6x minus 5 for all values of x, where b is a constant. Then what is the value of b?
Yes, sir. I know how to
Just
do it.
subtraction and
Yes.
compare the result to the expression minus 4x square plus 6x minus 5.
Plus 4 bx minus 5. 6x minus 5. Okay. So is B2, sir? Option C?
C or B?
Option C, sir.
Option C. Just wait. Yeah, you need not do all the subtractions, just one subtraction. 4x minus of minus bx, that is 4x plus bx. That is 4 plus b times x
Yes, sir.
is equal to plus 6x.
Yes.
Cancel x on both sides.
Yes.
4 plus b is equal to 6. B is
B
equal to 6 minus 4.
Yes.
That's equal to. Yeah. Then option C is correct. Is what did it tell? Same?
Option C, sir. Yeah.
Very good, very good. It is also simple question, seems to be some confusing, but straightforward and easy question. Omega minus 3. Imagine omega minus 3 is x. Take omega minus 3 is x first.
Yes, sir. X to the 5. X to the power 5 minus x to the power
minus x square.
x to the power 5 minus x to the power 2.
Take x square common.
Is it A? Okay.
Square minus 1. Agree?
X square common, X
X square
square.
common. Then it is x square times x square minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now substitute the value of x. X is nothing but w
X
minus 3.
W minus
W minus 3 whole square times
W minus 3 whole square minus 1.
option.
We, so if we take W minus 3 as X, then it should be X to the power 5 minus X square.
It is x power 5. That's why it is x cubed.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
X square times x cube is x power 5.
Yes, sir.
So option is
Option D is, yeah, D.
D correct only. It is also simple question.
When
Just
some
equivalent.
not negative. Yes, sir.
This sum. For C not equal to negative 4, because if C is equal to negative 4, then denominator of the first term will become undefined 0.
Yes.
Consequently, it will be undefined.
So it's 12, 16 plus C, 5 plus 16. Say, is it 16 plus C by 4C plus 16? Option C.
Yeah, that's good. Correct only. So answer is 16 plus C by 4C plus 16. What is the sum of all values of x that satisfy 3x square plus 12x minus 29?
Yes, sir. We can use our calculators for all distance. I'll just
Yes.
4 square plus 12 times 4 minus 29. It's not. So it's not option D. We can eliminate option D. We can eliminate option 3. So it's option A, sir, I guess. Because the other 3 options are not correct.
Which option?
Sir, what?
See,
12.
it is sum of all the values.
Yes, sir. So,
That means it has 2 values only.
yes, sir. Degree of.
Calculator. What are the roots with the calculator?
So it's not. Okay, 1 second. -1 times -1. $29 times 3, 87. So do we have any possibilities for 87?
Yeah, okay. Leave that question for some time and please answer this question. What are the roots of x square minus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0? Please tell the roots instead of sum of the roots. Just tell its roots.
So it will be 14.
Root
So
is x is equal to 7.
x equals 7 and x equals -2, sir.
Yeah, 7 and 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Here sum is equal to
9, sir.
9, correct.
Yeah, in the same way, it's 29 times.
But
No,
in
sir.
same way, we can't get two roots easily for this equation. Roots of this equation, okay, can't be found easily. Yeah, let's come to the point. Sum is 7 plus 9. There is a direct formula. There is a direct formula to find the sum without solving the given equation. Without solving the given equation, there is a direct formula to find the sum of values. That is called sum of roots. Compare the given equation to standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. When we compare, what is a?
3, sir.
A.
3, sir.
A, no. A means x square coefficient.
Yes, sir. In the question, it's A, no, sir.
No. Not the this
Oh,
example.
1, sir.
A is equal to 1. B is equal to -9.
Yes, sir.
C is equal to 14, right?
Yes, sir.
There is a direct formula. Sum of the roots.
Negative B by A.
Sum of the roots. Yeah, negative B over A.
Or negative 12 over 3. Negative 4, sir.
See, use this formula here. Some
Negative 9 over 1, sir.
negative of -9 by 1. That is equal to 9. That's why we got some 9.
Yes.
There is also formula. Note this point. No,
Yes.
this formula. Product of roots.
C over A.
Yeah.
Remember.
C over A. Product means 7 to the 14. That can be obtained by without solving that equation. 14 over 1. That is called 14, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is sum of the roots here? Negative B over A. Negative B over A.
Yes, sir. Negative 12 over 3. That's
Negative 4.
yes, sir.
If product is asked, instead of sum, there may be
C.
asked product.
Yes.
Formula product of the
C.
C by A. That means
Negative 29 over 3.
yeah, negative 29 over 3. That's it. Notice that there is no negative for product. Negative is only for sum, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know this formula?
We did it in the alphabet.
In the next class, we will discuss how this formula come. Yeah, I'll explain that. There is a special chapter in quadratic equations and quadratic expressions. Do you think that that chapter is there in either SAT or a board, or did you complete already? Completed?
Sir, we did it already, sir. We took the quadratic formulas and we did it.
Yes, right. In that,
we don't have
yeah,
but
in that chapter, these two formulas are there.
yes, sir.
Yes, right.
The graph of the equation f function f is shown in the xy. For what value of x is the value of its minimum? Sir, 1, sir. Option C, 1.
Option C, 1. Yeah. Yeah, x is equal to 1. Yes. It is highest peak, right?
Yes, sir.
Drop perpendicular to x-axis. This is 1 only, right?
Yes.
So option C, 1 correct. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? That is factorized. Previously, you factorized in sum, that is in this sum, you factorize the numerator and denominator separately, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you do in this way, in this method?
Yes, sir.
Right, numerator as x plus 4 times x plus 5, and denominator
Yes.
x plus 5 times x minus 2, x plus 5, x plus 5 get cancels. The answer is
Yes.
x plus 4 by x minus 2. In the course, in the process, you factorize the numerator and factorize denominator separately, right?
Yes, sir.
This question, it is asked to factorize an expression, but
Yes, sir.
this expression seems to be not in the general format. The general format is something square plus something x. Yeah, square term, f term, and constant.
Yes.
We cannot see square term in this expression, but we can convert into the square term, right?
Yes, sir.
We know the fact that is, what is root x times root x?
X.
Root x times root x is
X.
very good. So this x can be written as root x whole square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Because root x times root x is x. Next, 6 root x minus 16. Now assume take root x is equal to y. Then it is y square minus 6y minus 16. Now factorize it.
Yes, sir. Y square minus 6y minus 16. Y square minus 8y plus 2y minus 16. So y minus 8 times y minus 2.
Very good. Y minus 8. No. Y minus 8 and y minus 8 times.
Y minus 2.
No. See, product is minus 16. So one is a positive and another one is negative. To factorize it, search for two numbers whose product is negative 16 and
Y plus 2, sir.
yes, y minus 8. Yeah, you got minus 8 times. Sorry, y
Y
minus
plus.
8 times y plus 2.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Choose the correct answer and substitute, plug in root x in the place of y.
Root x is minus 8. So
Times
is it option D?
option
Wait, no, sir. Option D, sir.
right. Yesterday celebrated in states.
Easter? Yes, sir.
No holiday for Easter.
It's on Sunday, sir.
Yeah, because it's on Sunday. For Good Friday,
Yes, sir. We had a holiday yesterday.
for coming Ugadi is coming. Do you have holiday for that? I think no.
No, sir.
No.
I
Right?
don't think.
Is there any schools organized, that means owned by Indians? Owned by organized by Indians there? That means
No,
private. No, private school.
no, sir. No, sir.
All are most of the not 100% schools are government schools only.
Yes, mostly they are government schools only, sir.
We can say partly we can see private schools. I think.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
In my organization also tried to start classes in US, but I
Yes.
think it wasn't successful.
Yes.
I think government don't give permission.
Yes, I think so. I think it's a big deal for us to get
Okay.
school.
Okay. So most of the organizations, that means health and education, are connected by America only, I think.
Yes, sir.
X square plus y square is equal to 10 and xy is equal to negative 3. What is the value of x minus y whole square? Try to solve it.
Plus x square plus y square equals 10. X minus y. Okay. X square minus 2xy plus y square. 10 minus 2 times -3. 10 minus 6. Says the answer. Okay, 1 second. Wait. X square plus y square equals 10.
Answer?
Minus times -3. 10 plus 6. 16, sir. Option B.
16.
Yes, sir.
X square plus y square. 2xy. Plus 6. Yeah, 16 correct only. How did you do it?
Sir, x minus y whole square, we can, I mean, it's in the form a minus b whole square now, sir. So I converted it in the form, I expanded it, and it is x square minus 2xy plus y square. So x square plus y square equals 10. So I substituted 10.
Yes.
Minus 2 times xy is -3. So -3. That gives us 10 plus 6. That's 16.
That's good. Correct. Very good. Correct approach. See, we need x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square is asked, right?
Yes.
It is equal to x square plus y square negative 2xy. X square plus y square is given as 10.
Yes.
Negative 2 times xy. Xy is given as -3.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 10. Negative 2 times -3, positive 6. It is equal to 16. Very good. You did it in right way.
Thank you, sir.
The quadratic equation kx square plus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0 has exactly one solution. What's the value of k? Having one solution means it can be expressed in the form of a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Or
Yes.
the direct formula. You know what is a and what is b and what is c? Whenever a quadratic expression, a quadratic equation has one solution, a quadratic equation has one solution. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Whenever b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then
Yes.
it has only one solution.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is a, what is b, what is c there?
Oh, B is 6, sir. C is 4, and K is A.
Yeah, 36 minus
So
2 times
30
k times 4.
minus 4 times K times 4. 36 minus 16K equals
Take
0. Negative 16K equals negative
9 minus
36.
4k is equal to 0.
36 over 16.
Answer
4.
4. And
The K is over 4.
9 is equal to 4k.
It's option D, sir. 9 over 4.
9 over 4. Option D. X power 12 is equal to 32 n power 4 and x power 9 is equal to 4n. Then x is equal to.
X minus 12 equals 34. And X minus 9 equals x. Okay, x to the power 12 equals 32 and to the power 4. O to the power 5 and to the power 4 is to the power 12 equals 2 to the power and to the power 9. to the power 12 equals.
Got it?
1 second. Sir.
Simply divide both equations.
Oops. X to the power 4 n times x to the power 5. Equals 2 times n to the power 9 square n equals 2 n.
Got it?
9. So 1 second.
Very simple. X to the power of 12
Yes, sir.
is divided by x to the power of 9.
Oh, proportional
Is equal to 32 n power 4
power 4
by 4n.
by yes, sir.
X power 12 by x power 9 is nothing but x cube. That is 12 minus 9.
Yes, sir.
A to the power of m by a to the power of n.
Equals a to the power m minus n.
Yes, m minus n. Right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
equal to 4 goes 8 times. N power 4 by n is n cube, you know. N power 4 by n. N power 4 means n times
Yes.
n times n times n by n.
8 n cube. Yes, sir.
Same way, we can see x power 12 by x power 9. X power 12 by x power 9 means x power 12 means x into 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 x in x times x times x times. This is x
Yes,
power 12, right?
Yes.
By x power 9. X power 9 means x times x times x times x times x times x times. Yeah. Now tell all these 9x's cancel. We'll have to make
Yes.
x cube. That's why it is x cube.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is 12 minus 9.
Yes, sir.
2n whole 8n cube is nothing but 8 is nothing but 2 cube. That is 2n whole cube. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now tell what is x?
2 n, sir.
Cube cancel.
2 n, sir. Option A.
That's good.
Okay.
It is also direct question. Take this as homework. Simple question. What?
A plus whole square minus a minus b whole square.
Into a minus b whole square. Take screenshot of it.
Yes, sir.
Right. I think separate link is not necessary for your class and the next class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, single link is created, and they join at after 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow I set for more difficult questions
Yes.
based on the previous SAT questions, right?
Yes.
And do you have any idea for the next chapter for board? Chapter name?
No, sir.
Do you think that calculus is there in board or SAT?
Calculus? Yes, sir.
Limits, differentiation, integrations like that.
No, sir. I don't think it's that. That's how it is.
You are not in board?
Sir, I think I'll have it in the summer, sir. Yeah, in the summer, I'll think.
Do you have? Do you think that there is?
Sir, I'm taking pre-calculus right now.
Do you have seniors in school?
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah, you may ask them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You may ask them, do we have calculus part, that is limits to differentiation, integrations, these are called calculus part, because without this knowledge we can't understand the engineering subjects. Even physics can't be understood without calculus.
Yes, sir.
If we get the positive answer, that means if it is confirmed that we have calculus also,
Yes.
in board also,
Yes, sir.
yeah, we will do it clearly.
Yes.
That's it. The next class is about calculus only, differentiation. Today, differentiation started,
Yes.
and try to get the information that um, do we have calculus at least partially in board,
Yes.
because Indian subjects can't be understood without calculus knowledge. In math class, physics class are started with math class starts with calculus part only in engineering first year. You will have mathematics for first year for some groups and 1.5 year, 3 semesters for some type of groups, and for all the groups, all the branches, 2 semesters. Math is necessary for 2 semesters.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, Chandu. Please connect to that class. Very good. Thank you so much for your interest. Join with that Zoom class, right? Okay. Whenever you have time, you may join for the next class also.
Yes, sir. I will, sir.
Okay, okay, right.
Yes.
Thank you, Tanika. See you in the next class. Good night.
Have a good day, sir. Thank you, sir.
Try to get information about calculus for SAT.
Yes, sir.
Do you have your senior students who appeared for SAT also?
Yes, sir. They all of them got their scores. Yeah, all of them started applying for colleges, sir.
Yeah, and let me know. Send me messages whenever you get information. Right?
Yes, sir. I will.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.